Hello, I'm Rebecca of Orient Korean who tells you everything about Korea. Many people who learn Korean have difficulty in how to use particles 은는 이가 when making Korean sentences. Today's content is for these people. Today's topic is the secret of 은는 이가. There is no place to teach you more easily. The basic sentence structure of Korean is subject, object, verb. However, the subject and object are immediately followed by particles. The postpositional particles are 은는 이가. Let's look at the sentences to understand better. 나는 너를 사랑해 correspond to I love you in English. 나 is I and 사랑해 means love. 너 is you in English. But Korean sentences are not made only with the words 나, 너, 사랑해. Particles must be added to make a sentence. In order for 나, 사랑해, 너 to become a sentence, particles such as 는 and 를 should be placed between words. 나는 너를 사랑해, which means I love you. Subject, object, verb. From now on, we'll learn about the exact use of 은는 이가. Make sure to remember the two things I teach you. First, 은는 is topic marking particles and 이가 is subject marking particles. The difference is 이가 include singular information and 은는 include plural information. Let's look at an example right away. 토끼가 달린다. Subject marking particle 가 is used for singular information. That's why the sentence means a rabbit is running. 토끼가 달린다. A rabbit is running. 토끼는 달린다. Here, topic marking particle 는 is used. 는 has intrinsic meaning of plural information. That's why the sentence implies that a rabbit is running and turtles or other creatures are also running too. In other words, topic marking particle 은는 is put when there's going to be follow-up sentence. 토끼는 달린다. A rabbit is running. Shall we look at another example? 오렌지가 노랗다. The sentence only includes singular information. Orange is yellow. 오렌지는 노랗다. The sentence implies other information such as orange is yellow but grape is purple, even though it doesn't mention about grape or other fruit. 토끼가 빠르다. A rabbit is fast. 가 is used because it is a single piece of information that a rabbit is fast. 토끼는 빠르다. A rabbit is fast. 는 is used for plural information such as rabbit and turtle. In summary, in the use of 은는 이가, 이가 is for singular information and 은는 is used when plural information is expected. Then, let's find out the distinction between 이은 and 는가. The distinction between 이은 and 는가 is very simple. It depends on the syllable just before particle. 이은 is put when the preceding noun ends with a consonant. 는가 is placed when the preceding noun ends with a vowel. Let me give you an example. 가족이 많다. I have a large family. 곰은 무섭다. Bears are scary. The last letter of 가족 is 기역 그, which is consonant. In the case of 곰, the last letter is the consonant 미음 무. Like this, 이은 is attached when the preceding noun ends with a consonant. Then shall we look at 는가? 토끼가 빠르다. A rabbit is fast. 나는 너를 사랑해. I love you. Since the last letter of 토끼 ends with a vowel E, the particle 가 is used. Also, the last letter of 나 ends with a vowel A. For that reason, particle 는 is placed. In summary, in the sentence structure of subject, object, verb, the subject is usually followed by 은는 이가. As mentioned earlier, 은는 is used when there is plural information, and 이가 is attached when there is singular information. And if a consonant comes just before particle, 이은 is put. Also, when a vowel comes just before particle, 가는 is placed. Subject, 있는 이가, object, verb. Today, we learned about the Korean particle 있는 이가. Was it useful? We or in Korea will do our best to give you useful information. So far, this has been All in Korea's real Korean woman Rebecca, who tells you everything about Korea. Subscription and alarm settings are love. Please press like it. That's it, the end.